Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Vinted. Just go ahead over to vinted.com. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and click on the profile icon right here at the top right, and you'll be prompted to sign in or sign up if you haven't done so. All right. Now, to use Vinted, for example, I wanted this particular item right here, but I don't have the money yet. So I'm just going to click on heart right here, or the heart icon, or the favorite icon. All right. As you can see here, I'll do it on another one right here. Let's see, like say, for example, this one right here. All right. And this one. So the next time you log into Vinted, just go ahead over to the favorite icon right here and click on it. Now, as you can see, the items that we just favorited has been forwarded to this particular page. Now, to order on Vinted, if you don't want to order any of these from your favorite items, just go ahead over to Vinted right here and shop. For example, I wanted to buy these AirPods right here. For example, I'm going to click on it. All right. As you can see here, you have a ton of options. You can either buy now, make an offer, or message the seller. If you want to buy this now, you'll be able to pay $53.20, and the shipping fee would be $6.92. All right. Now, if you want to make an offer to the seller, just click on this one right here and say, for example, this one, which has a 5% off, gonna click on it. Or you wanted a custom one. Say, for example, you wanted to be a cheapskate. All right. Just type in 30 right here and offer 30. And as you can see here, when I go to my messages right here, I have made an offer 7 minutes ago. All right. And it was for a Nike black crew neck, which is sold for $13.30. All right. And I was asking for $10.80. I'm just going to wait for the seller's reply. And if the seller accepts, well, I'm going to go ahead and click on buy now right here. All right. Going back to the topic right here. Now, if you want to follow the particular seller, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the follow section right here. Click on it. All right. Now in here, click on buy now. Just go ahead and add your address right here. All right. And here are your delivery details. Once you're good with that, just go ahead and add your payment method. All right. And hit on proceed. Put your card number right here, expiration date, a security code, and hit on agree. Once done, click on use this card. After that, just go ahead over to pay right here and you're good to go. And if you want to customize your profile, just click on your profile right here and go to profile. Once done, just click on edit profile. Now in here, you can go ahead and change your profile picture and tell something about yourself. All right, you can go ahead and change your location. And I already made a video on how to change your location on Vinted. Just go ahead and check it out. It's on the channel itself. All right, and that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.